Alright, good day student. As you can see, what we have is to find the value of x given an equation involving the variable x. So how can we find the value of x in this given equation? So the first thing you have to do is look at the power of the x. You see that they have the base power are equal. So in this case, the best thing is to assign a new variable to the exponent of the x. So in this case, let u equals to s raised to power 3, and in this case you already been given. So let u equals to what? X raised to power 1 over 3. So substitute it in this equation. This implies we have u raised to power 2 minus 2u is equals to 8. So once you arrive at this point, rearrange the equation so that there will be all the terms will be on one side of the equation. So plus 8 crosses equal sign, you have u squared minus 2u minus 8 is equals to 0. So solve the quadratic equation form. In this case, factorize the quadratic equation. We have u squared minus 4u plus 2u, because minus 4u plus 2u will give us minus 2u, minus 4u multiplying 2u will give us what? Minus 8u squared. So you have done that before. From here, you factorize. U is common, we have u minus 4. 2 is common, you bring out 2, u minus 4, and that's give us 0. So from here, you have what? U minus 4, u plus 2 is equals to 0. So from here, please equate each of the factors to 0. You have u minus 4 is equals to 0, or u plus 2 is equals to 0. So once you arrive at this point, I think you have already solved it. So making u the subject of the formula, if you make u the subject of the formula, you have u is equals to 4, or u is equals to minus 2. So you can recall that u is equals to s raised to power 1 over 3. U is equals to what? S raised to power 1 over 3. U equals to x raised to power 1 over 3. So this implies s raised to power 1 over 3 is equals to 4. So find the cube of both sides of the equation. You have x is equals to 1 over 3 multiplying 3 will give us 4 raised to power 3. So that 3 can cancel out to give us s equals to 4 raised to power 3, and that's give us 64. So that is the first value of the x. So since u is equals to s raised to power 1 over 3, you recall here, that means minus 2 is equals to s raised to power 1 over 3. So find the cube root of both sides. You have minus 2. You have what? Minus 2 raised to power 3 is equals to s raised to power 1 over 3 times 3. So 3 can cancel out, and when 3 cancel out, what do you have? Minus 2 raised to power 3 will give us minus 8 is equals to x. So these are the values of x. So in this case, you have x to be equal to 64 and s is equals to minus 8. So from the given equation, we find that x is equals to minus 8 or 64. Any of these values will definitely satisfy the given equation. So this is how you can find the value of x. Please comment if you have any question. Click the notification button, shares and likes. Please also subscribe to our channel for more videos for your views. So see you in the next class. Bye for now. I hope you enjoyed the video.